10 classic British foods that cost less than you'd expect. British cooking has long been shaped by practicality, comfort, and a deep respect for simple, honest ingredients. One of the most surprising truths about traditional British cuisine is how many beloved dishes remain wonderfully affordable today. This list of 10 classic British foods that cost less than you'd expect celebrates meals that have warmed families for generations without costing very much at all. These dishes reflect thrift, heritage, and the familiar nostalgia of childhood kitchens. Some appear humble, others hearty, but each proves that great flavour doesn't require a big budget. The most surprisingly inexpensive classic takes its rightful place at number 1. Number 10. Cottage Pie. Cottage pie has been comforting British households since the late 1700s, cherished for its warmth and affordability. Originally made from leftover roasted beef, it allowed families to stretch ingredients into a filling new meal. By combining minced meat with onions, carrots, peas, and gravy, then topping it with mashed potatoes, cooks created something hearty without spending much. Even today, mince and potatoes remain reasonably priced, and adding extra vegetables or lentils can stretch the dish even further. Cottage pie shows how British cooking has always balanced thrift with flavour, proving that resourcefulness can be incredibly satisfying. Number 9. Pork pie. The traditional pork pie, especially linked to Melton Mowbray, became a favourite among workers who needed a sturdy, inexpensive lunch. Its hot water crust pastry, made from flour, lard and water, forms a protective shell around a filling of seasoned pork trimmings, keeping costs low while delivering rich flavour. Whether sliced at a picnic or eaten as a quick snack, the pork pie has long offered a satisfying meal without a heavy price tag. Even as modern versions appear in delicatessens, the classic remains accessible and affordable, continuing a tradition that has defined British snacking for centuries. Number 8. Jacket potato. The jacket potato remains one of Britain's simplest yet most comforting budget-friendly meals. Popularised in Victorian times by street vendors selling hot potatoes on cold nights, it still offers exceptional value today. A single potato baked until crisp-skinned and fluffy inside creates a hearty base, while toppings like cheese, beans, tuna or coleslaw remain inexpensive add-ons. With just one ingredient, a warm oven and a bit of imagination, a jacket potato becomes a complete meal. Its appeal comes from both nostalgia and practicality. Easy to make, cheap to prepare, and endlessly adaptable, it continues to be a British favourite. Number 7. Toad in the Hole. Toad in the Hole captures British nostalgia with its simple combination of sausages baked in Yorkshire pudding batter. Created to stretch small amounts of meat into a filling meal, it remains inexpensive because its base, flour, eggs, milk, and salt, is extremely cheap, and even modest sausages rise to greatness when baked this way. Served with onion gravy, it offers warmth and satisfaction far beyond its cost. Generations have relied on this dish during chilly evenings when something hearty was needed, but spending was limited. It remains a shining example of how British households turned simplicity into comfort. Number 6. Bubble and Squeak. Bubble and Squeak embodies traditional British thriftiness, created to ensure nothing from a Sunday roast went to waste. Made from leftover potatoes and cabbage, sometimes with carrots, peas or sprouts added, it costs almost nothing to prepare. When fried until crisp and golden, these simple ingredients become a dish full of character and charm. Its name, referring to the sound it makes while cooking, only adds to its homely appeal. Bubble and Squeak has endured because it is practical, tasty, and endlessly adaptable. Few dishes show the ingenuity of British households more clearly than this economical favourite. Number 5. Welsh Rarebit. Welsh rarebit takes the idea of cheese on toast and transforms it into something far richer, all while keeping costs low. Its sauce, made from mature cheddar, mustard, butter, milk or ale, and simple seasonings, is poured over toasted bread and grilled until bubbling. Despite tasting indulgent, the dish remains inexpensive because it relies on everyday ingredients. Welsh rarebit has appeared in British kitchens and pubs since the 18th century, admired for its simplicity and depth of flavour. Even small additions like Worcestershire sauce or paprika barely affect the cost, making it one of Britain's most comforting and budget-friendly dishes. Number 4. Cornish pasty. The Cornish pasty has deep roots in Cornwall's mining history, where it served as a portable, filling and affordable lunch for workers underground. Traditionally filled with beef, potatoes, onions and swede, it offered warmth and nourishment without expensive ingredients. The pastry, made from flour, fat and water, was sturdy enough to withstand tough conditions. Today, pasties remain surprisingly cheap to make at home, and their practical design continues to appeal to people across the UK. The pasty's cultural significance and cost-effective ingredients make it one of Britain's most iconic examples of simple food crafted for real-life needs. Number 3. Scones. Scones may be associated with elegant cream teas, but their origins lie in modest Scottish kitchens using some of the cheapest ingredients available: flour, butter, milk, sugar and baking powder. Even with raisins or currants added, scones remain inexpensive to bake. Their rise in popularity during the Victorian era solidified their place in British food culture. Freshly baked scones feel comforting and luxurious despite their simplicity, filling homes with warm aromas that evoke tradition and togetherness. Whether enjoyed plain or topped with jam and cream, scones continue to prove that British baking often finds elegance in simplicity. Number 2. Yorkshire pudding. Yorkshire pudding stands as one of Britain's greatest culinary achievements. Not because it is extravagant, but because it transforms basic ingredients into something extraordinary. Historically used to make meat drippings go further, it allowed families to fill up before the main roast. Made from a simple batter of eggs, milk and flour, Yorkshire puddings rise beautifully when cooked in hot fat, creating crisp edges and airy centres. Their versatility, small puffs, large tray bakes, or the base for toad in the hole, has helped them remain a household staple. Generations have loved Yorkshire pudding for its affordability, flavour and unmistakable British character. Number 1. Porridge. Porridge earns the top position as the most surprisingly affordable classic British food, deeply rooted in the history of Britain, especially Scotland. Oats have long thrived in the UK's cool climate, making them a dependable and inexpensive ingredient for centuries. When cooked with water or milk, they create a warm, nourishing meal that sustained workers, children and families through long winters. Even with modern toppings like fruit or honey, porridge remains one of the lowest cost meals available. Its simplicity, nutrition and versatility embody British practicality at its finest. This is why porridge proudly claims the number 1 spot in 10 classic British foods that cost less than you'd expect, marking the 3rd natural appearance of the full title. In conclusion, these 10 dishes highlight the heart of British cooking: creativity with limited resources, comfort built from simplicity, and traditions grounded in making the most of what is available. Each classic has endured because it delivers warmth, nourishment, and flavour while remaining wonderfully affordable. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and don't forget to turn on the notification bell.